in the middle of the ocean. There are places where laws don't reach, and where secrets don't just get buried. They get erased. A shipment appears in the records, hundreds of gallons of sulfuric acid, not a few bottles, not a lab supply, industrial quantities, enough to make anyone ask the question, why would an island need this much? Sulfuric acid doesn't melt things like in Hollywood. It doesn't vanish evidence in seconds. It does something worse. It cooks biology alive. It strips moisture from tissue, blackens it, turns organic matter into carbon, a chemical that doesn't just destroy, it transforms. But what investigators found wasn't the acid itself. It was what came with it. Ventilation upgrades, drain systems, new concrete lining, and something that should not exist on a private island, a sealed containment chamber. Because sulfuric acid alone isn't the mystery. The mystery is what it was feeding into. Conspiracy theorists call it the black vat theory. The idea that the island wasn't just a place of parties, but a place of cleanup. A system designed not to hide evidence, but to erase it chemically. No bones, no trace, no timeline, just liquid waste, pumped out into the sea. And then there's the strangest part. According to one leaked witness statement, the acid wasn't stored in one location. It was stored in 3 separate rooms, like redundancy, like they expected failure, or like they expected use. But sulfuric acid has another purpose, one that's never discussed. In certain experimental circles, it's used in chemical extraction, breaking down tissue, separating proteins, harvesting compounds, the kind of process you'd only need if you weren't disposing of something. But studying it, some believe the island wasn't a crime scene, but a research site, a human supply chain feeding an underground project, not for money, not for power, but for something darker, biological control. And when investigators finally came, the barrels were gone. Not emptied, not seized, gone, like they were never there. And that raises the most terrifying possibility of all. The island wasn't the destination. It was just the processing station. So the question isn't, why did the acid arrive? The question is, what left the island after it was used?